This desirable brick and vinyl-sided ranch-style single-family home has 3 bedrooms and 2 full baths. Loaded with updates, fresh paint throughout, French doors, a new entryway front door west/full view storm door with custom handles and locks, and a new rear door and bedroom sliding door. Luxury vinyl plank in living areas. The primary bathroom has updated matching tile and new carpeting. The updated primary bedroom has a new toilet, dual sink vanity, large decorative mirror, new fixtures, and a large walk-in closet. Lovely plantation shutters are featured throughout. Kitchen updates include granite counters, a stone backsplash, new appliances, stainless sink, and disposal. The updated secondary bath in addition to the newly carpeted bedrooms, 1,957 square feet make up this charming home in the popular area of Shadowlawn Heights. The backyard features a custom drainage system, new private white vinyl fencing,